everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and comment below. For today, I'll be teaching you how to add integers using integer tiles. So I'll start now. Let's use this symbol for positive numbers. And we will use this symbol for negative numbers. So if you have a positive and a negative number, you will get a zero pair. Now I'll show you some examples. Let's say negative 6 plus positive 3. So instead of solving that one using the rules for integers, we can make use of integer tiles. So earlier, I presented to you that for negative, we will be using this sign, and for positive, we will be using this symbol. So let's say negative 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will add positive 3, and you will add positive sign 1, 2, 3. And as what I've said earlier, if you will pair a negative number and a positive number, you will get a zero pair. So this pairs here, that's equivalent to 0. So what's left is negative 1, another negative 1, and another negative 1. So that's 1, 2, 3. So therefore, negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So another example is positive 4 plus negative 2. So you will just draw integer tiles there. For positive 4, you draw 4 positive symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, so you will add negative 2, 2 negative symbols. 1, 2. And as what I've said, this one will get a zero pair. This one also will get a zero pair. So what's left there are 2 positive symbols, so that means that's positive 2. 4 plus negative 2 equals positive 2. Another example, what if the signs are the same? Example, negative 3 plus negative 4. Easy. You will just draw here negative symbol 1, 2, 3 plus another negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot cancel everything here. You cannot cancel something here because there's no zero pair. So all you have to do is count the negative signs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means negative 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 7. How about if both numbers are positive? 2 plus positive 2 equals blank. So just draw 2 tiles there, positive symbol, plus you add another 2 positive. And if you try to notice again, there's no negative symbol. So that means you just have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 plus 2 is positive 4. Okay, so I have here another examples. What if you're adding negative 4 plus positive 3? So just have to draw negative integer tiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus you add positive 3. So 1, 2, 3. And a good thing here is you have zero pairs. So take away this one because this will form zero pair. It doesn't have value. So what's left is a negative integer tile, and that's 1. So that means negative 4 plus positive 3 equals negative 1. Another example is 5 plus negative 5. So you just draw 5 integer tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 negative integer tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away the zero pairs. And if you try to observe, everything forms a zero pair. So that means nothing left. So therefore, 5 plus negative 5 is equal to 0. So as simple as that. Now, can you do this work? Negative 4 plus 7 and negative 8 plus 6. Try to solve it. Okay, finish answering, so let's try to answer it now together. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 plus positive 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to take away the 0 pairs. This one, another pair, this one, and this one. So what's left here is 3 positive signs. So 1, 2, 3. So therefore, negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3. Next, negative 8 plus positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this part here will form 0 pairs, right? So what's left is negative 2. So that means negative 8 plus positive 6 equals negative 2. And also this, using these integer tiles, it will be only applicable if you are adding not one-digit numbers. If you're trying to add a bit bigger numbers, you really have to use the rules in adding integers, and that's coming next for my coming videos. Thank you for watching to my channel, and see you again next time.